I'm passing the way of crossing. We're going to Tokyo Tower. Let's go. This is the train station to Tokyo Tower, and it's going your left side. It's the Tokyo Tower. We just had some photos and now we're going to Ginza. We are now in Ginza and it looks like it's all high-end store. And this is the biggest Uniqlo in the whole world. My God, how many stores is this? I think 10 stores. This is Uniqlo's flagship store, so it's really big. It's mirrorized. I know.
Please refrain from sitting directly on the floor.
You can have the bag personalized. This design is actually cute. Love that as well. And this one. Yeah, this is my choice. I want this bag. It's actually like this. There is Mount Fuji, there is the Tori, and it's Sakura. Maybe I like that one or this one.
Can we just walk up the escalator and then...
They have this dorayaki. They have the cookies, Uniqlo brownies, and they even have orange donut, matcha donut, and this one is, what is this? Maybe strawberry? So this is our snacks. We have dorayaki, and this is matcha donut and matcha coffee.
Latte.
Yeah, a matcha latte. I like it. Okay, this is so much cheaper. It's only 1,500. I think I'm gonna get this. I love this design. Mount Fuji. Love that. How much? Starry Night design. They have Picasso. Beautiful. 1.5, not bad. Oh my God, you have so many designs. A lot of t-shirts. I think I'm gonna buy this one. You have mine. Souvenir from Tokyo. We're going to have our dinner and we're going in this restaurant right in the corner of Shibuya Crossing. And actually it's really affordable. And this is my order. I have have some rice, there is beef, some vegetable, and some soup. So that's full on. That's it. Oh my god. It's really good. Try this one. That's where we had our dinner, and it's really good. I like it. Right here in the corner of Shibuya Crossing. After dinner, we come to the pharmacy to buy some stuff. This is the one I bought the last time I come here in Japan, and this works really good for me. So this is for the pimples, and this is really effective. Let's buy more of this. Okay, I need to buy 5 of this. Good for the pimples, and it's really effective. I found what I'm looking. It's the Fino. Apparently this is a really good hair mask. Saw it in YouTube, so we'll try first, and if it's good, then I'll buy more. This is my pharmacy purchases. Loads, yeah. Thank you. Pharmacy purchases. Hi guys, it's the end of our first day here in Tokyo, and I'm going to show you what we bought in Ginza. Of course, the Onitsuka Tiger. Actually, I wanted 2, but the yellow is not available. It's the Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66. It's only 73 pounds, but if I buy this in UK, it's almost 200 pounds. Basically, it's tax-free plus 5% discount. So that's a total of 15% discount. So that's a price difference. Really big time. In Tokyo National Museum, we had to buy some souvenirs. This is a folder made from traditional Japanese paper. Actually, there are framed copies of this picture, but it's about 4,800 yen. Well, this one is only 510, so it's really affordable. And actually, there are 2 pieces. So one of this, and the other one is this one. So I can actually frame this, and that's my plan. We also have the souvenirs, like bookmark. This is a coaster. 2 coasters. We have postcards, 2 postcards. We also went to the flagship store of Uniqlo in Ginza, and we bought a lot. Here we have 2 bags. So first of all, the t-shirt, this is mine. The small size, this is 1,500 yen, which is about 7 pounds. Next is another t-shirt, and again, this is mine. Small size, and there's a Mount Fuji. Actually, this is the same print as this one. So yeah, that's Mount Fuji. The third one is another t-shirt, also small size. And this is again Mephi. I sort of like this bag. I keep using it, so I decided to buy the green one. This is also from Uniqlo, but I did buy this in the Philippines. And it was on sale. I can wear this when I'm out and about going some groceries. Love it. Next one is this trousers. It's 3,900 yen, which is about 27 pounds. This can actually do with this, so I can pair the 2. Here we have a lot of t-shirts, and this is my son's. First one is this. He also got this. Another one here. More t-shirts. Another one from Moma Arts. Again, these are all for Lance. Another t-shirt. Oh my god, this is actually big. Small size, but really big. What? The sleeves are really long. I'm not sure about this. For the trousers, we also have 1, 2 shirts, another shirt, and a polo shirt. All from Uniqlo. We also have purchases from the pharmacy, and that's a lot. It's tax-free, that's why it's in this clear bag. We have pear for the pimples. This is actually very effective, that's why I had to buy 3 more. I have to stock up for the UK. We also have vitamin C serum, premium hydrating lotion, Curel moisturizer, this is also good. Perfect Whip, which is a facial foam. Fino hair mask. Apparently this is really good, so I had to buy. I'll try it and see what happens. Naturally Hatsumogi skin conditioning gel, and we have 2. This one is really proven. I bought 5 of this the first time I come here in Japan, and I've been using it in the UK, so I had to buy more. This one, it's Skin Aqua, and this is SPF 50 sunscreen. Another Hatsumogi skin conditioner. So basically all this we've used already the first time we come here in Japan, so we just restocked. And that's it for my first day in Japan. I hope you like my videos. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. Bye!